right? So right now, everybody watch me, okay? When you do the penchée, don't go drop down. See, my back leg not even move. I just go down. That is bad. No, okay? So look at my upper body. My upper body stays straight. I use my leg push up. When my leg pushing up, and my flexibility is not that flexible, so my upper body forced, upper body go down. See, my leg will be high, right? So when I came up, don't let your leg go down first. Your leg stay here, we go opposite. Your upper body go up, force your back leg go down. Yeah, that's how you do. Okay, there. Okay, so arabesque arm, did I tell you, always your hand below your nose. Always, okay. The arm front, always below your nose. If you want arm higher, your head have to be higher. Your arm can go higher, okay? But you cannot over. So here, no matter which situation, for example, and here, under, below my nose. When I go down, I still below my nose. You see? Still below my nose. I'm not stay from here. Look at me. What's that? It's not below my nose. You have covered arm below your nose, okay? Okay, make sure below your nose. When you go up, also. Okay, so these things you have to be careful. Otherwise, when you're doing this pose, not pretty good, not good. Do you think this is beautiful? This is not beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, the first thing. And the second thing, watch me here. I right face to you. Look at my head. This is the second thing. Okay, no matter what I do, look at my chin. I always lift up, stretch my neck, right? When I go down, look at my chin still up. You see? I will not drop that. What do you see here? Drop that. Your chin always up. No matter you go straight, you go down, you go up, whatever it is. I want chin up. Yes, very good, Lina. The feelings, that's right. The all elegance start from here. See? Chin always up. Neck always long. No matter what you do. That's how you do it.